you're with me. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
I'm scared.
Want to get your floater?
Oh, shite. Oh, they're playing this one, huh? We can pass, Daddy. Good thing we can pass. You gonna swim, Dad?
Huh?
You gonna swim?
Yeah.
Here, hold.
Morning. Gusto lang niyo muna mag-swim?
Napuyong pala ka!
Go, go. Go down.
I'll do it for you.
No, I will.
Take time. Can you blow everything, okay?
No. There's a dead insect. I will. I will. Yeah. Go, go. Come. No, it's okay. Just gonna move away.
Push it in that side.
Go, 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 go. You say hi, want to be? Sige na. Oy, let's go here. Let's go here. Here. It's not deep. No, it's not deep. Let's go.
I'm so happy I used my glue gun.
Come in here. Come here. Come on na. Then swim here using your goggles.
What? Do that.
Yeah, come here, I will help you.
Kasi kung hindi tayo mag-stay kala ano, hindi mag-stay ko tayo somewhere in Dubai.
Oh. Pag-isipan natin. Come here.
Why else I will not use my goggles?
Come on. Sabihan mo sila. Sabihan mo. Ay, ay. Oh, no. See? Yes. Oh, see? Oh. Ayan na. Oh, show you video. Go. Underground. Okay, hi.
No, hi. I got Bubu here.
Where?
Dad.
Yeah, that's mine. Can you see?
Can't see it. It's invincible.
Where did you get that?
Everybody, look at my bandanas.
Go to the. Go under. Go under. 1, 2, 3. Go. More.
Put it down. Put it down, Dad. Put it down.
Hello.
Woo!
Hello. Good morning.
My gargles is making me my eyes so wet.
Go.
Gargles make my eyes so wet.
Go.
Go, go.
Gising ko ito? Opo. Good morning po, Ate Alice.
Hello.
Mainit po. Opo. Ito po
Let
yan.
it go down. Dad,
Ate, alam mo na?
let it go down. Let it go down. Hindi. Let it go down. Dad. Daddy. Dad. Mamiya. Mama, Mamiya.
Ah.
Daddy, put it down. Put it down. Down.
Kasama si Venus nun.
Hello.
Ah.
I'm using my new Geiger.
Yeah. Wow, yeah. That's nice. Ito mga dito is without floaters.
But don't hide it, okay?
Actually, next Tuesday kami.
Ay, minigay siya. Pangalawa na.
Guys na to. No weapon for nagkatawa na lang ako eh.
Come on. Meron siya pang swimming, ano?
Wala, kasi natawa lang kasi ako eh. Yung pagbasa ko na.
Swimming siya kaya. Again. Again, Dad.
Hindi naman si Bing eh. Pagpupunta ng Oman, lagi nag-message.
Again. Daddy,
Ito ganun doon.
Daddy, I did like this. Look at me.
Si Gianna, ano? Hindi ba siya nagkakaroon?
May vaccine kaya to?
May vaccine yan. Tinag ko yung ano. Wala yan. Actually, yung nakalaro niya nun ate, may bulutong na pala.
Ah.
Ito hindi siya nakaka.
Hindi siya na ako. Ilan?
Daddy, I go even deeper. I go even deeper.
Saturday, Sunday.
Ah, titit na yan. Hindi ka naman nilagnat eh. Ah, yun naman labanan, tita na. Ah, bibi. Yes po, yes po. Ah, ang ganda. Ganda kagabi, Pastor Mar. Pastor Mar, hindi ko na nasan yung slides. Kasi walang internet po kagabi. Late na po kami naka-connect. Ah.
Let's go. Dad, look. Dad, look.
Ah, call Pastor Mar, oh, dyan na. Show you swimming. Yan, oh. Galing, ha? Can you go here?
No.
Yeah, you know it. Oh. You go here. You go here. Ah. You go here na.
No, it's alright. How many insects?
No more insect na. I clean already.
Daddy, look.
Ah. Uy, very good, oh.
Wait, wait. Not crazy.
Ah, say hi muna to your vlogger, to your
Hi, vlogger.
subscribers. Go.
I swim so nice.
Ma. Yan na.
Let's go down. Let's go. Daddy, like,
Okay. Go. Do it in under the water. So that will be
I know, I
legal.
will show you.
Go. Go under the water. Go ah. Do like that ah. Slowly ah.
There's so many.
Show it. No.
I saw some insects a while ago.
No more now.
Orange, I saw it.
I remove already.
I saw it. You know, I feel when I don't have water, it's pushing my up, spilling it.
Can you picture your goggles? Yan na. Your goggles. Yan na. I-picture goggles.
Okay. Don't make it too.
No.
Good. Look at that one.
Ah. Go there. Show it to your friend. Yeah. No.
I saw that.
It's only here. Oh. It's only here. Oh. See?
Don't move.
Oh. Go.
See, oh.
No. It's not like that. Do like this lang. Oh. Oh. It's dead. The insect is dead. Go. Show it to your vlogger. Go. Just show it to your vlogger. You go there. I will pull you. Go there. Go. Go here. Go.
Just daddy.
Go now.
I will not go there.
Say hi muna.
Hi.
Oh, you jump. Go. One more. Just one jump. Go. No, there in the top.
Huh?
There. Oh.
What?
Yeah.
Daddy, just put it there. Where's our daddy? Daddy, you said. Go there.
Jump. Go.
It's there.
That's birds. Go.
No, it's here.
No, it's birds.
No, it's here. I found it.
No. Ka talaga. Mas ka na. Just do like this, oh. It will not come to you.
Here, see you?
Oh, see? Oh, no more.
There.
Go, go, go.
Help! Last one. Help! Killed all the cockroach. They're so sneaky.
No more. Go. Ah.
I don't know anyone. They said you're gonna pull me.
Yeah, you sit muna. Go inside. Not like that. Sit only. Ayan, okay, go.
I did a bad mistake.
See? I told you.
You think so?
I will kill you. Harap buhay, oh. Oh, may insect.
Can you bring me back to my own place?
Sarap buhay, oh. Ah.
Can you bring me in my place? Bring me in my place! Dad, I said!
What?
Bring me back in my place!
I scared.
My place is so clean than you. Dad, drop picture, baby.
Alas ka na. Mamis ka na. Calling you na.
What are calling you?
Yeah.
Not me. They're calling you, not me. Daddy. If when it starts already, I can see that as well.
Go.
I can see my room here. Don't know.
Go. Go.
Hi guys, I'm gonna go under when I do this. I'll go under that. Like this time.
No, like this, like this, like this. Yeah, yeah, like nice to see the video. Wait, yeah. What did you do? What did you do? Show the hotel. Show the hotel. We are.
So guys, there's a swimming pool here, but I'm not allowed.
Why?
But there is. Okay.
We're not allowed in the swimming pool. It's okay. It's gonna be okay soon. Nice hotel, huh?
Oh, I'm allowed to swim, Dad. Oh. I'm allowed to swim. Mom said I'm allowed to swim.
See?
Swim. You're doing like that always.
Where? What number?
660.
660 is turning to no. Here. This side. This side.
I hope it's very near the elevator.
Why? You're correct. Your wish was granted.
Where's the number? 660.
Paano to ibabalik?
Good, Daddy, this will happen.
Okay, now. Papasok ko ba to?
Oo.
Oh, this is the best
Wait lang.
one ever.
Yan. Uy, bakit may extra bed?
Daddy, there's coffee here.
Sa extra bed. Wala.
Ah.
Sabi may extra bed daw eh.
Daddy, what's this?
Ako nadalhin sa sofa bed.
Diyan na say hi mami.
Huwag na no. Huwag na
Dream
mag-isa,
big.
no?
Yeah. Diyan na. Hey mami.
Ano ba dream big?
What?
Ah.
Look at that. Daddy, this is the one from
Yeah. Yeah, press it. Try. Huh? There's lights.
How to turn it off? I think it's
Hiran, I'll take video.
that guy.
Ah.
We're going to Legoland. Hi guys, we're going to Legoland.
You're so happy. So excited?
Look, that's mommy. I told you there's a park. Daddy, are we gonna ride are we gonna ride the in Legoland? I'm scared. And you know there's a roller coaster.
Yeah.
But we're not, I'm not gonna do that. It's so scary.
You
I
should
told you
try.
there's a park.
You should try.
Very scary. You'll go upside down. Like, it's like, oh.
Saan po yung toilet? Where's the toilet? May 45 na.
Mommy, straight. Dan is excited, huh? This is the bus. Hi. Hi. Morning. How are you?
Daddy, sit there.
Ano, may naka-shorts ka rin.
Sit here, Daddy.
Ah.
You're so happy.
Why?
We're going to Legoland.
Are you sure? Mami, are you sure? Say hi muna to your subscribers. To your subscribers.
Yeah.
टाइम हो गया बस दूजी आऊँ ना
What's the feeling? You're sitting beside Mr. What's your name, sir?
Arshdeep Singh sir.
Yeah, sitting beside him. You're the passenger seat.
Look at the view.
Yeah, you look for it. You'll be amazed.
So how's your experience on first day?
Huh?
How's your experience? Good? Good.
Daddy, so every country there's Legoland?
No,
Only this
not all.
Only this country?
Yes, in Middle East.
Why
But
only
there's
this?
in Malaysia. Maybe they have in Japan.
No, they don't have because it is only.
In US also. Mommy went to Malaysia before in Legoland.
Oh yeah, I saw the
Picture?
picture in the iPad, in my iPad. That's why I'm planning to go there. Are we here already?
Going inside.
Going inside now?
Ah,
Oh, that's Legoland.
that's way.
I will drop you front side of the Legoland.
Yeah. Wow. Thank you, sir.
That was so fast.
Yeah, so fast now. Just 5 minutes.
I thought it was 100 minutes.
100 minutes long.
Because Legoland is so far. Oh, Daddy went to a near hotel beside the Legoland.
Yeah.
That's so we will not be late.
Yes.
Wow. 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 I wish you brought your car.
Meron ba na
down.
restaurant inside, Mami?
Daddy, I wish you can brought your car so because it's so fast. It's very easy to drive.
Ano dad?
Meron inside.
Ha?
Inside.
Wow.
Wow, see the castle.
Oh. The castle Legoland.
May ticket ka na? Dito.
Yeah.
Jamul.
Okay, so which park you are visiting today?
The land.
Legoland?
Yeah,
This way, please. Let's start with Princess.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dyan,
Go,
dyan.
go.
Thank you. Almost done.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
Thank you so much.
Mamaya.
Wala sa babae.
Yeah.
This is the food place.
So, ito na nga guys. We are at the Legoland! Team Alcaides. Hello everyone. Shout out to our subscribers. Together with me is Janabi. Janabi, can you say hi to your subscribers?
Hello guys, we're gonna go to the ride, but not mommy. Mommy stays on like this.
And with baby Yusuf.
Baby Yusuf, but baby Yusuf is starting, but my mom time is pregnant.
Pregnant. Still inside. Like that. Inside mommy's tummy.
Ah, look at that. Won't they first? Legoland!
Ooh. Ah.
Gavin, we're in Legoland. You can join us next time.
Okay, with mommy. And with daddy. With baby Yusuf.
That's what I'm talking about, that Legoland.
I have picture here. Have picture here.
Doon ka sa
Go in the
lilim.
middle. Go in the middle. Na.
Later na lang ulit.
Dito na lang.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Hi, Gavin, we're in the Legoland.
Amisan niya outdoor. Outdoor muna tayo. Outdoor.
Next park yun eh.
Ah, dito tayo.
Hindi tayo sa ano. Ay, pag pwede na.
Oh. It's our first time.
First time kayo po
Ba,
yung
ay,
first
Oman.
guest. Ay, Oman, bakasyon.
Ah.
First guest po kayo namin for today, okay? Dito po kayo sa theme park, wala pong water park.
Wala po.
Okay, so theme park po madam, magsasara po kami by 6 o'clock. Tapos para sa kay Ate Girl, pwede po siya sa lahat ng rides. Except lang po yung flying machine na.
Get the map, Jana, for you.
Let's go one by one.
Hi, good morning.
Are you gonna come with me, Dad, in the ride?
Of course.
Okay, unstoppable.
You got their picture. No, don't cover. I'm gonna sit beside that. And smile. Cute.
Smile.
Cute.
Smile.
Smile. Do like this. Fan squad.
Diyan na
Yeah. Green. Green Lego.
Hello. Take picture with you?
Yes, please. A picture Jana. 1, 2, smile. That's her favorite color, green. One more. One more. Up. There's
Yeah,
This scares me.
yeah. Yeah, they check already.
And I stop for activities.
Okay.
You take this thing to
Okay.
No, I mean the other one.
Okay.
She had picture with the. Thank you. Dubai City. It's all.
Oh, this is the one that you're talking about, Mom.
Yeah.
This one.
That's all Lego.
Alright, thank you. Mami, hold this.
Ito.
Yung number. 200 dirhams. Yeah.
Yeah. Ito pinataas ko. Grabe, gado ko na mo.
Ganda.
Pwede mo ka na mag-video sa ano ko kasi malulubad yan.
Ito ako nag-video.
Grabe.
Oh, dyan na, smile.
Imagine Jana, look oh. Oh my God.
Wow! How did they build a Lego house?
Dyan na, look, oh, the flag is waving.
How did they build a Lego house?
Mamaya kaya tayo dito.
Oh.
Rides muna. Let's go.
Let's go to the rides.
We'll come back here. You just take the rides.
Why?
Because here it's cold. We will come back.
Oh, ikot lang.
Ikot na, taas na taas. Up nila po yung joystick.
Ah, sila nagko-control? Sila magko-control.
Select inside and hold it tight.
Yan na, say! Say hi, say hi! Yan. Hi! We're going to...
Push the doors into the truck. Sir, here, sir. Push the doors into the truck. Push, push.
Daddy, doon na lang ako sa labas.
Go, bump, bump, bump. Up, down, up, down. Keep on, bump, 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 all the way up and down. Bump, 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 and do it, keep on. Up and down. Bump, bump, bump. Bump, bump, bump. Number one,
Come, guys, come.
That's it? Finished? Finished? Finished.
Jana, you can be a firefighter na talaga. Thank you.
Sana.
Boating school daw, boating school.
Ha?
Boating school.
Boating school?
Yeah.
Boating school is there.
Ito, boating school, boating school.
Dito?
Ito.
Boating school? Did you say school?
Pagkita dito ko.
Ah. Ano yung phone? Turn left. Alright, turn left.
Yellow boat, please wait for assistance. Yellow boat, please wait for assistance.
Picture na lang.
Okay. Ah! Go.
We're bad at doing this.
No, you can do it. You can do it. Don't say that. They're bad. Oh, go. Ah, no.
Go straight.
Stay. Move like this.
We try. Stop. Oh, can we go there after? Oh, I think we have to go there after.
Oh, you draw na. Drive na. Slowly lang. Not too much right. Too much. Right.
Wait, into my box.
Boom. Okay, and then go back left. Only like that. Steady. Right.
Into my box.
Go, Jana! Hey.
Dada, dito na naman kita.
Isa ba?
Ito ata yun eh.
Okay lang.
Medyo may rapili.
Okay.
City center to, so pwede tayo mag-gym.
Wow, Jana, good job! Mami, anak mo.
Wow!
See? I told you. You go there, straight. Go straight. Go. Galing batang to, ah. Oh. Yeah, just straight.
Straight! You know how to drive, go! Just think that you're daddy driving the car.
Good job. Picture mo. Oh, pass.
Go, push!
It's red. Green. It's green. What color? Green. Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Picture, ha?
Well done. We'll take the teacher.
Here?
Wonder.
Ano sabi niya, PR?
Naka-record.
Kailan? Anong oras? Anong oras? Tara. Madam.
Let's go! Hindi, wait to rest ka muna yung restaurant.
Now you go to restaurant.
Daddy, I'm tired walking. I walk a lot.
Ano na yung damit ko?
Saan yung Caesar? Hello. Hi.
Scary.
Bye bye. Oh.
Scary is octopus. We're gonna see the very scary octopus, you know?
We are in the submarine.
We're so scared with this
Dado,
scary octopus
Dado.
in Look, guys, there's some cracks here. The octopus will come. We're swimming to see the scariest octopus now.
Yan o. Look how many fish.
And guys, there's some creatures. There's some creatures, there's some fish in the submarine, you know? And there's a fish there.
Ganito rin sa kaman eh.
Copy that swimming control. Hold on everyone, here we go.
Go down.
It looks like we're approaching the coral reef.
Looks like you're right, Professor.
Amphibians. Although the colour of each fish is slightly different
You saw the shark?
depending on where in the world they
Hello,
live.
sorry.
They like to swim in groups, and there are usually 10 times
there's
as
a
many
camera.
female fish as there are
Hello.
male fish.
Hello.
We have nearly arrived. Crew, it seems we've nearly reached the ruins of Atlantis, so keep your eyes peeled.
There's shark.
Captain, what is that?
That, Professor, is what we've come to see. Welcome, squid researchers, to the lost city of Atlantis.
Ito is better, oh.
Atlantis, oy!
Researchers,
Dami.
can you see the zebra sharks roaming amongst the ruins?
Ay!
Those sharks are spotty, not stripy, so why are they called zebra sharks?
The sharks we can see are adult
Ami, oh,
zebra
laki, oh.
sharks.
Dalawa.
They have spots now, but were actually born
Ano?
with stripes. The biggest zebra sharks can be up to 2.5 meters long,
Ano, sa baba?
wider than this submarine.
Oh.
But they are really friendly. They don't seem to be taking any notice of those Lego divers.
Baba mo pa yun.
What about those grey sharks?
What grey sharks? Computer, identify.
That is a toothless shark.
I've never heard of a toaster shark before. Researchers, look at the picture on the screen.
Laki.
Can you help the computer find the
Sorry.
correct shark by pressing the control
We
button
went to
which
the wrong
matches
place.
your answer?
Look up, there's a guy not wearing any clothes.
Identified black-tipped reef shark.
Well done, crew. You must have all spotted the black tip on the shark's dorsal fin,
Good,
which is how this
see.
creature gets its
Yeah.
name. They may look scary, but they're actually pretty shy.
Ito yung cellphone ko.
Oh, thank you, Lord. You're the best ever.
Captain, team, can you see the bright yellow fish called yellow tang? In the wild, they feed on algae, although yellow tang kept in home aquariums have enjoyed eating lettuce and even peas.
This is the best summary ever. Diamonds. Diamond stars. Where's the scary octopus?
Captain, if we don't head back now, we'll lose all of the team's research.
Sounds like our computer has fallen asleep. Team, you are going to have to help us.
Great job, team. You got us safely back to base with all of the amazing discoveries we made. Thanks, Milka, and see you on our future.
Oh, amazing. Thank you. May stamp pad, mami, stamp.
Mommy! Take a picture now.
Oy, dyan na.
I'll tell you something, Mom. I want pizza Lego.
Pizza Lego.
Oh, there.
Daddy. So after this one, these bricks, transported again into the yellow pile. So now
Pieces. This is my design.
Done? Okay, can put anywhere you like.
Oh, you put it there.
Anywhere you like.
Any space, yeah.
In this space, yeah.
In empty, you can put it. Yes, oh, stairs.
Okay, very good. Hasta la vista.
For Jana.
This way, on this way.
Like it?
Parang ano lang, time zone. Fan zone.
Say hi. Hi. What's that?
Mainit pa rin weather, pawis ka lang.
Ayan pa. Let's go. So hot here, guys.
Selfie!
Tutong land. Tutong land.
Ha? Which one?
1, 2. Ito.
Baby care yan eh. Saan tayo? Baby care yan.
Ha?
Ayun, may light.
Ha? Meron pa ata eh. Tanong mo. Ito, build and test. Alam ko may stamp to, mami.
Wait. Be careful.
Doon na tayo sa
Let's
Vision.
pako tayo dun sa ano ng ano.
Ah, ito.
Mamaya sa harap ng Lego na.
Doon tayo sa ano na, sa may ano para malamig. Sa may 4D.
Basta pag ito yung pwede kailangan. Eh kasi... Lego dan to ba yun?
Pwede naman to eh. I-timer ko.
Hindi maganda doon tayo sa ano.
Itong phone ko.
What happened to you? You tired? Ha? Ha? You're good?
Paano nangyari yun?
Bakit?
Siguro nakadikit yun kaya gan.
Alin? Alin?
Hindi bumabaksak.
Ano baksak?
Ano? Yung Lego.
Asan?
Yung mga ganun, naka-lubog, elevated. I'm a Legoland.
Sakto after dito, kailangan natin pumunta doon.
I'm a
Doon
Legoland.
tayo sa buwan.
Ano oras yung ano?
4:45.
Tapos naman na tayo after this eh. Sakto lang.
I'm going.
Ito oh, nakaganyan lundo. Diba? Hindi mabaksak. No?
I want green Lego.
Because you did a great job. You did
Oh,
the best job.
Yeah, study hard. That's what happened if you study hard. Huh?
It didn't go in like imagination.
Huh?
Imagination.
Imagination, we're done. This is imagination.
What?
This is imagination.
Oh.
Oh.
Let's talk about imagination.
Yan na. That's our reward to you because you study properly.
Ano exit that?
Then, dire-diretso.
Welcome to the favorite.
And that's the end of the story.
It's better than Van Zone, right? This is imagination. Yeah. Everything.
Everything.
Ganda, no?
Yeah. From Legoland to Tutonglan because it's so hot. We're going back to Miniland.
Punta naman lahat, no?
Ah. Ano sabi mo?
Punta naman lahat.
Ah. Gusto niyo mag-picture-picture dito?
Oh, siya.
Sabi mo.
Kailangan niya. Ay, water park, oh.
Yan na.
Wala tayo ata access.
Picture dyan na. Yan na. Yan na. Aya, mami.
Ha?
Diyan yung ano eh. Diyan yung ano, Caesar.
Submarine Adventure, di pa kayo dyan? Ay, oo, dyan tayo. Yung sa bababa, yeah, we're done here.
I want to go there again.
Not allowed na.
This is not